And we're taking a look at one of my pistol belts. This is a pretty basic setup I'd use for anything from training to, I guess I could use it for a duty gun rig or beating around the woods. First thing, the belt itself, made by True Spec. Same with the belt keepers. These go around the belt that carries the gun in the gear and through the belt in my pants to keep everything in place. I'm left-handed, so I'm running a left-handed Safariland holster. I've had this one a good many years. I don't really remember where I got it from. Running my Glock model 17 full-size 9mm. Reason I have opted for that one a lot more lately is I've been fighting pain and numbness and carpal tunnel in my left hand. Hopefully we've got it on the mend, and in the next few days should be back carrying a more serious ordnance. Safariland double mag carrier. Got a cold steel SRK, a very reliable full tang knife. Flashlight pouch. Things go dark, you want to see. I don't really use weapon mounted lights because if I want to utilize the light, I end up having to point the gun at something I may not intend to destroy. So I have a off-board light, stays on the belt. This one's a little workforce. Very good light, adjustable beam. Uses 3 AAA batteries. Purchased this one at my local Tractor Supply. It's all metal, very rugged. I use these quite a bit. And magazine and light pouch that I bought from not Sports Authority, Academy Sports, the other day. A very robust rig. Everything on here's been tested and thoroughly vetted. I don't know if you get a more reliable 9mm pistol, which again, I would rather have the 45. The 45 caliber, I've got a slightly different rig for it. But fighting the problems I've been fighting in my hand for the last year or so, I'm having to opt for the 9mm for the softer recoil. That's kind of a look at one of my belt rigs. Very basic. It's not overly cumbersome. Doesn't have a bunch of junk on it that I don't use. I know some people say, hey, you ought to have a blowout kit on here. Well, the reason I don't have it on the belt, I try to keep stuff away from my spine. And it's far easier for me to have that blowout kit in the cargo pocket of my pants rather than have it on the belt. I keep mine in my right hand cargo pocket. Most guys that know me, people that know me, know where it is if they need it. If something happens to me. So that's what we're looking at later on.